Hey there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Ames and I am an online course coach and template designer. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to upload captions and subtitles into YouTube to make your content even better. And I'm going to show you how I do this in Descript and how easy it is to get that content into YouTube. So once you make your content in Descript, you will then export it into YouTube. Then the next step is to go to the subtitles section here and click export. And this is going to download a media file that is the proper file type that YouTube needs to get those closed captions or those subtitles. So I just put this on my desktop and I save it. When you are editing your description in YouTube for your video, you will scroll over here and see that there is a subtitle section. This is where I already have mine uploaded here, but you will see an option to upload your text for your captions. You will just upload the file here. It will ask you, do you want to do it with timing or without timing? Descript automatically adds timing, so that's wonderful. You will click continue. And then you will pick the file that you originally downloaded from Descript. So mine is right here and you will click open. It will then create this right here, which will add closed captions and subtitles to your content, which also helps it get found easier on YouTube. Just make sure to go that extra step to download your content and the subtitles right here and export it and put it in YouTube. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Please like and comment and subscribe if it was helpful. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.